Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to upload code files and get Claude to review them effectively. If you've written a program, script, website, or application and want feedback on your code, Claude can be a powerful code review assistant. Instead of pasting hundreds or thousands of lines into the chat manually, you can simply upload your code files and ask Claude to analyze them for bugs, performance issues, security concerns, coding standards, and overall code quality. To get started, open Claude and click the Attachment or File Upload button near the message box. Browse to the location of your code file and select it. Depending on your project, you can upload files such as Python scripts, JavaScript files, HTML pages, CSS style sheets, Java files, C++ source files, configuration files, or even multiple project files at once. Once the file has been uploaded, avoid using a vague prompt like "review my code." While Claude can do that, you'll usually get much better results with a more specific request. For a general code review, try a prompt like "review this code and identify bugs, performance issues, security risks, code smells, and opportunities for improvement." Claude will typically examine the structure of the code and provide detailed feedback. If you're troubleshooting a problem, be specific about the issue. For example, "review this code and help me identify why the login function is failing when users submit valid credentials." Providing context helps Claude focus on the relevant sections of the file. Another useful approach is requesting line-by-line explanations. You can use a prompt such as "explain how this code works step by step and describe the purpose of each major function." This is especially helpful when learning a new programming language or understanding someone else's codebase. For security reviews, try "analyze this code for potential security vulnerabilities, insecure coding practices, and recommendations for improving security." Claude can often identify common issues such as input validation problems, exposed credentials, weak authentication logic, or unsafe coding patterns. If you want cleaner and more maintainable code, ask "refactor this code according to modern best practices while preserving its functionality." Claude can suggest improved naming conventions, simplified logic, and better organization. When reviewing large projects, upload multiple related files and provide some context about the application. For example, this is a web application. Review the uploaded files together and identify architectural issues, bugs, and areas for improvement. This helps Claude understand how different files interact with each other. You can also ask Claude to prioritize issues by severity. A useful prompt is "list all issues you find and categorize them as critical, high, medium, or low priority." This makes it easier to decide what should be fixed first. Finally, don't stop after the first review. Ask follow-up questions about specific recommendations, request code examples, or have Claude explain why a particular change would improve the project. The more targeted your questions become, the more valuable the feedback tends to be. By uploading your code files, providing clear instructions, and using focused review prompts, you can turn Claude into an effective coding assistant that helps you improve code quality, find bugs, and learn better programming practices. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.